Hi, welcome to Travels with the Russells. Well, today we're going to go through the disembarkation process with MSC on the Euribia. So, if you'd like to see how we go on, please watch the video. See you in a minute. Bye. The disembarkation process on MSC is a little bit different to most other cruise lines. Most of the others, you actually leave the luggage tags on your cases that you arrived with. With MSC, you take those off and you replace them, and you'll replace them with new luggage tags which will be delivered to your room. So have a look. So what you'll get is a disembarkation information sheet which will tell you your approximate disembarkation time, and it starts in this case from 7:30 in the morning at Southampton. What to do with your luggage the night before, how to settle your bill, and your actual disembarkation. So in our case, we'll leave our cases outside the door at when we finish the evening. So it's up to midnight. Don't put them out at 2 o'clock in the morning because they may not disappear. But up to midnight, put them out and they'll take them away and deal with your cases for you. You need to settle your bill, so you need to go to reception. You can check your bill on the app or on one of the screens, or just go to reception. If you've prepaid, if you've pre-registered a credit card, then you don't need to do anything. Whatever you've purchased will just be charged to that credit card, so you might want to just check through your bill and make sure there's nothing on there that shouldn't be there. That's what I do. It's the easiest thing. Never had a problem. You need to be out of the rooms by 8 o'clock in the morning, so you vacate your room. Again, what we tend to do is 8 o'clock, then go for breakfast somewhere and I'll wait for our disembarkation. These are the new luggage tags that you're provided with, and you can fill all the information on there, you know, your name and your address, etc. They just put your cabin number on. You're given a disembarkation number and these little pull-off sticky tabs which you need to put on the back of your cruise card, and these are so when you leave the ship they know that you're leaving at the correct time. So ours is 21, and what happens is the screens around the ship will call you, but you're given on here a basic guide on the back of what time you're likely to be called. So 21 is 9:55. Everyone on there will meet up in the carousel lounge, which is on deck 7. So if you arrive 5 minutes, 10 minutes early, that's fine. Sit and wait. So by then, by 9 o'clock, we've probably had breakfast. Go down there, make our way down there, mosey on down to deck 7, and then sit and wait for our disembarkation number, and then we'll just leave the ship. So again, we'll video how we do with baggage collection when we arrive in Southampton. So at the bottom of here you've got these little tear off stickers, so you tear these off and you attach them to the back of your cruise card. So that's the one off there. It's been torn off and put on there. You also have a sticker here at the top which you place on yourself, so as you're walking through they can see that you are, when you're departing, that you're departing at the correct time. So they'll check your card, but they'll also see that you've got a sticker on you. These are sticky back, so you can either stick them over your old labels, stick them over the top of there, which I'm going to do. So with that done, stuck over the old label, showing 21 on the case. This, as I say, is to be stuck on yourself. You can keep hold of that till tomorrow and you stick it on yourself. And that's your cases, and you just put them outside, so I'll show you that in a minute. So before you leave, you get your final bill, and the last thing to do, put your cases outside. So that's what I'll do. So just leave your cases outside the door, just like everyone else has. Down there. And the case pixies will come, take them away. Next time you see them will be on departure, hopefully. One problem would be pretty much impossible to find a seat anywhere. So because everybody's leaving the room at 8 o'clock in the morning, the whole place is absolutely rammed. Ridiculous. We've not found a seat at all, sat outside. So it's absolutely rammed. So we're going to our disembarkation assembly point at the carousel. There's a big screen there telling you where we're getting off. 22.
Yeah.
There we go. So there we go. 21 is cold. 22 is calm. So as you can see, the screens are calling. We're 21. 21 is being called. So let's go. So far, so good. Straight through to exit the ship. Now to collect the baggage.
Yeah.
Well, look at this compared to how it was on our last journey on Iona, which was mayhem. This is the baggage collection here for MSC.
Odds and evens.
Odds and evens. I can see one of our bags immediately, and I can see the other bag immediately. So, amazing. Look. Baggage collection, a doddle. Hi, well, as you could see, checkout was extremely easy, very, very straightforward. Just follow the procedure. Everything was nice and smooth, and you know, we were straight out of the terminal. There was no passport check in this case. There was no customs, so it was straight out, straight through and away. So brilliant. Anyway, thanks ever so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.